Guys, look at this guy. He's overpowered. But look at me. How do I have that, guys? You may be asking, how do I have that? But I stealed it. Do not tell the owner. Guys, I'm running right now. What's in the seed shop? Because guys, yes, today at the admin time, like at 10, I think I don't know what it's called, I forgot, but I had the Romanesco seed. But then, once I go to my garden, right, the next day, why did it not yet sprout yet? It's not here. There's my bug egg hatched. Oh man, caterpillar. Another caterpillar. Guys, sub if you want this. Or should I give it away to charity? And I'm also gonna give these ones to charity. I'm a kind guy. But one time I stole something very valuable. I'm gonna give this away to charity. Guys, comment who wants this. Comment your name in Roblox. I'll add you. Don't you say yes if the name is this. Team Jandel, let's go. But the real name Al Guapo 28. Okay? This is my friend, bro. She's overpowered. She's more better than me. Just because mine. Look. Her, like. Where's mine? Oh yeah, I deleted it. Guys, and that's where I got my avatar, see? See that guy? I'm going to him. Ah!